so Benji.
I need everybody out there to get with this Benji movement. So crazy. Sheree, is you ready?
I'm Benji, I'm fancy, I'm so fine, I can't stand me. You just a nominee, baby, I'm a Grammy. I'm so hot, y'all better come fan me. Y'all chicks better listen before you think about dissing. I got a crew of girls and we always on a mission. When we come through the club, popping and twisting, we different now, bitch, and there will be no ass kissing. Call me a diva, if you got a girl, but I can make him leave her. So we'll need somebody like a 2-liter. Me and my crew will slay and we'll read ya. Yes, up and down, check me out, look up and down. Baby, I run the war, I run this town. I write in style, you write in Greyhound. Where did this bitch come from? Where did this bitch come from? Acting like she number one. Ow, I'm done.
Yeah, about to catch another fight. Yeah, the apple bottom make him wanna bite. Yeah, I just wanna have a good night. I just wanna have a good night. Hold up, if you don't know, now you know. If you broke, then you gotta let him go. You could have anybody, any money, mo. Cause when you a boss, you could do what you want. Yeah, cause girls is players too. Yeah, cause girls is players too. Cause girls is players too.
Bump, 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 bump it up. Bump, 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 bump it up. Just bump, bump it up. Bump it up if you came to get it drunk with a dame or shit it drunk. You came to get it on. More than 5 O's in your bank to get it on. Roll up like that thing and get it on. Want to fit it on. Came to